this is Jared with Acucraft Fireplaces Technical Support Department. Just wanted to run you through the basic components for our signature standard gas line of fireplaces. These are pretty much the typical components you're going to receive with one of these units. Starting here with our gas valve here, and our PDS unit. This is the PDS switch. Gets mounted inside of an internal weather-tight space, such as an attic or a chimney chase or something like that. That's going to also have this silicone tube with this probe attached to it that goes and gets installed into the flue pipe. Along with that, we've got our ignition module that controls our gas valve, as well as the 24-volt AC transformer that supplies voltage to that ignition module.